My name is Elizabeth DeIuliis, and I'm faculty at Duquesne University, where we have an entry-level master's and doctorate program in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I'm also co-editor and author in SLAC's The Entry-Level Occupational Therapy Doctorate Capstone, a framework for the experience and the project, which is the first 100% published book that is devoted to the entry-level doctorate capstone. Although OTD programs have existed across the country for over 20 years, there have been limited resources available in this area. This book is intentionally designed to provide a step-by-step approach to guide, support, and inspire faculty, capstone coordinators, OTD students, and site mentors, also referred to as the capstone team, throughout the entire process. With the number of master level programs transitioning to the entry-level doctorate steadily increasing, as well as new OTD programs being developed across the U.S., this is a must-have resource for your program. Let us tell you more about it.
Hi, I'm Julie Bednarski, and I'm co-author and co-editor of the Entry-Level Occupational Therapy Doctorate Capstone, a framework for the experience and project. I'm a faculty member at Indiana University in Indianapolis, Indiana, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about what you'll find when you open the pages of this book. We've developed each chapter to support idea generation, provide real-life capstone examples, provide you with teaching tips, and also worksheets, forms, and documents. So for example, on page 114 and 115, here is a capstone student from Duquesne University who has provided her individualized student objectives for the capstone experience. And on page 136, we have a planning guide for the capstone students in order to keep them on track and organized during their capstone experience and project. At Indiana University and Duquesne University, we've adopted this book, and we hope that you will too. Elizabeth and I are always willing to talk on the phone, email, Zoom to discuss this capstone and any questions that you may have.